Before beginning the event, I would like to start our today's special celebration day with national anthems of India and Canada. So if you could stand up, that would be great. Thank
तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जय गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय
Welcome all on this beautiful evening which we are celebrating Baisakhi today. Myself is Kamlesh Sharma and I'm the President of India Association in Antoba. On behalf of our board and custodian, I'm honored to welcome you all on this beautiful evening. I'm thankful that you guys came on a short notice in the weekdays. It's very difficult to come, but I'm happy you all made it. Thank you so much. Baisakhi is mostly celebrated in northern part of India, especially Punjab and Haryana. It has two major significance attached to it. First is the formation of Khalsa by our 10th Guru, Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji. He formed Khalsa on 13th April 1699. Khalsa was formed as a martial person, Khalsa means pure at heart, pure at his actions. This was made to protect the underprivileged, the needy ones. So when we celebrate Baisakhi, we should remember Guru's teachings to help others, to save others. That is really we should tell our kids, the younger generation which is getting away and they're not much attached to, I'm not saying like when they're in Canada, they can't take that spirit which you take when you're in childhood in India. Secondly, it is the harvest season. The farmers get good crops and bumper crops come up, they're happy. And we used to listen when we were in India, like they say, Samavali dante, tel chapke, magal mamne jat mele aa gaya. So usually people celebrate as Baisakhi Mela because they get income, they are happy, prosper. In the olden times, there's mostly agriculture was the profession and people get twice in a year the income. That's why they celebrate at a large scale when the harvest comes out. So I'm happy that you are here. Sat Sri Akal ji, Baisakhi de tonu sareyan nu lakh lakh badaiyan. Main शुक्रगुजार हाँ कि इंडिया एसोसिएशन के छोटे जे सर्वे में तुसीं सारे इत्थे पहुंचे हो. I'm very proud that you are all here to celebrate Baisakhi. इस प्रोग्राम में थोड़ियां जे कल्चरल इवेंट्स होंगियां and then after that the food will be served. So please stay here and enjoy the evening. Thank you so much.
I was not expecting कि पहली ही performance मेरी होगी, but जो भी है, हमने अभी नया बॉलीवुड बैंड फॉर्म किया है विनिपेग में, जिस बैंड का नाम है लोकल वोकल. बिकॉज दिस वाज शॉर्ट, मैं ट्रैक्स नहीं लाया है बिकॉज आई वॉन्ट एवरीबडी टू फील दैट पार्ट मिसिंग, ताकि जब नेक्स्ट टाइम कभी हमारे इवेंट पे आओ तो आपको पूरी कंप्लीट पैकेज्ड परफॉर्मेंस मिले. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना गिव यू अ हिंट ऑफ माई वोकल्स सो यू नो व्हाट लोकल वोकल इज ऑल अबाउट. बैसाखी है तो एक बॉलीवुड पंजाबी गाना चूज करते हैं. हो सुनिया सुनिया रातां दे विच तू, जद भी तैनू लभा ते मिल जे मैनू तू, सारे दिन दियां गल्लां मैं के दस्सां मैं तैनू, तू मैनू भुल्ले ना कदे मैं ना भुल्ला तैनू. सुनिया सुनिया रातां दे विच तू, जद भी तैनू लभा ते मिल जे मैनू तू, सारे दिन दियां गल्लां मैं के दस्सां मैं तैनू, तू मैनू भुल्ले ना कदे मैं ना भुल्ला तैनू. ओ खेलना कदे भी तेरे दिल नाल मैं, हर वेले रखा तैनू मेरे नाल मैं, ओ मर जावा उत्थे जिथे तू ना मिले, झूठ ना मैं बोला कदे तेरे नाल मैं. मेरिया जो गल्ला तैनू बुरी लगे वो गल्ला करा ही ना, तैनू ही मैं वेखा तेरे वल वेखा होर वल मुँह करा ही ना. हो लम्बिया लम्बिया बातां ते वाटां दे विच तू, मैं तां चाहवां मेरा परछावां बन जे तू, नेड़े नेड़े रख ले हथ फड़ के मैनू, तू मैनू भुल्ले ना कदे मैं ना भुल्ला तैनू. थैंक यू.
मुबारक हों सारे नू. And I'm so thankful to India Association of Manitoba for the invitation and for organizing this wonderful event that brings people together. Before I forget, I am requesting an applause for my sister Kamlesh Panji, because that is the live example of women leadership in our society, which is very much required. Local vocal. What is local vocal? So great performance. What a great start. Thank you so much. Keep the great work up, and we want to see you with music next time. I want to encourage. You could be a role model for people like Parmesh sitting there. He's my student. Parmesh, can you wave back, everybody? Thank you so much. So, formally, I'm here to bring greetings on behalf of Premier Canoe and Government of Manitoba. And informally, I'm here as a community member, your brother, your uncle, your son, nephew, whatever you say it. It's always a pleasure to be here in this community, which is my constituency boroughs, to be with you and celebrate together. Because this is an opportunity where we network, where we make friendships, and where we strengthen the connections we have with each other. Why I am raising this point is that we all know there is a lot of intolerance and hatred going around in the world. We need to come together, stand up stronger, and fight against that hate. When we were standing up, you can find similarities, you can find connections wherever you go, whatever you go through. When we were standing up for Janganman, I found 3 key words. Punjab, I love Punjab, I love India, for sure. Mangal is my father's name. Jack is my son's name. This is how you relate. You can find positivity wherever you go. And oh Canada, our Canada, that's what the country we belong to right now, that's where we live, that's what we love, that's how we should be living. And I love Canada, I love the diversity, and the Canada would never be the 51st state of America. Thank you one and all.
First of all, what a wonderful, wonderful special event. You know, it doesn't matter where you are in the world, Vaisakhi is celebrated. And what makes it really special is the fact that when you think, as Diljit talks about diversity, what makes Canada one of the best countries in the world to call home is because we celebrate diversity. We take a look in terms of the people that make up our nation, and we say, well, Vaisakhi is a part of our heritage here in Canada. So when I had the opportunity to be able to come forward and you look at the India Association, Kanish Sharma does a fantastic job, her whole committee, fantastic job. But let's appreciate just who we are as a nation. And as a nation, we should be celebrating our diversity. That means you might be living in Canada as I am today, but you can always have India in the heart. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that, because that's what makes Canada the rich place that we are. And when I think of Vaisakhi, I think of it being celebrated around the world, but I know here in Winnipeg, there's events throughout the month in celebration of Vaisakhi, and this is just one of many. So whether it's at a formal event, whether it's just having some sweets, whether it's just saying Happy Vaisakhi to someone, from me and my family, I would like to wish each and every one of you the very best of the Vaisakhi season. Enjoy, and thank you for allowing me to share a few thoughts.
I consider Vaisakhi as a very vibrant, celebration. So it's very difficult to portray that vibration through the poem, recitation or rendering through the poem. But Asit, my friend, asked me to recite a poem, so I will try my best. So मयंक जी एक कवि हैं, आगमन है, निराशाओं का तिरस्कार है, वैसाखी को उत्सव के इस डूबने का ये माहौल है। प्रकृति ने आज फिर लोरी सुनाई है, आस्था और आंगन में आज वैसाखी आई है। गुरुओं की वाणी को आत्मसात करने की है ये वैसाखी। वैसाखी की ये त्योहार हर जीवन में एक नए उमंग और आशाओं को ले आती है। तो ये था वैसाखी।
बेटा लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़की बिठा के देगी यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक
Kevin, happy Vaisakhi.
Happy Vaisakhi to you and your listeners. It's great to be able to come to an event here in the heart of the Maples and celebrate Vaisakhi.
Yeah, there are so many festivals in our community, and Vaisakhi is also celebrating on different dates on different area of the city.
Absolutely.
And I think you always attend all functions. What you are thinking about?
For me, Vaisakhi is a very special celebration. It's a part of our Canadian heritage in many, many different ways. So whether it's, celebrating it in downtown or here in the North End or anywhere else, not only in Winnipeg, but anywhere in Canada, it's always a special thing to do. You got to enjoy the music, the dance, just the personalities, the food, the poems, the poetry, all sorts of wonderful things in which people can be a part of a very special celebration. As I always say to people, it's a celebration that's throughout the world, but it's very special here in Winnipeg.
Voice of India is very thankful to you for attending this beautiful function, and we are also thankful for talk to Voice of India.
Well, I appreciate the opportunity and the time that you always provide me, MP. And whether it's Vaisakhi, Diwali, those special events that are a part of our heritage, it is something that we should all be celebrating.
Thank you very much.
It's my pleasure.